Alright guys, we're back at the garage today, and looks like we have a new project car on our hands. So Kellen picked up this 325 yesterday. I'm not going to go into too much detail about it right now. I think I'm going to let him do that once he gets back. They told me to start taking out the radiator, but I got McDonald's on the way here and I really want to eat, so I'm going to just do that, and then I'll work with them once they get back. 1 happy meal later. I was really hoping they'd be back by the time I got done eating. But no, they're taking a hell of a long time. I guess I can start getting this radiator out. Oh jeez. Oh jeez. Oh. Hey. Oh no. Oh, that looks bad. I really hope that isn't what I think it is. Kellen's gonna be sad. Yeah, so I'm definitely gonna wait to go any further until they get back, because that looks like oil that got mixed with coolant, but I mean, like, I don't know for sure. So yeah, let's just wait till they get back and then we'll see what they think. This bitch ass has been inside of his house the entire time and hasn't come out. But get over here. You need to take a look at this, because I think this might be bad. Am I wrong to think that that looks like oil that got mixed with coolant? Mm-hmm. Is that not what it looks like? Like, feel it. Put your finger in there and touch it.
I'm eating.
Dude, I don't care if you're eating. This is a bad situation if you got a car that already has a blown head gasket or something.
Oh. That's like chocolate milk right there.
Does that not mean blown head gasket?
I mean, it's more than likely.
Kellen, I wish you were here to see this when I first found it.
Should just like not tell me.
We can't not tell her. What do you mean? So Gabe's taking the hose off completely just so we can try and get a better look at it and see what everything looks like up to the end of the tube.
Oh.
Oh, that's fucking terrible. So does that look like oil that got mixed with the coolant, or is that like rust? I don't know. Was the car sitting for long?
I have no clue, honestly. The dude said he dailied it.
Uh-huh.
And then one day the clutch pedal just went to the floor and they just stopped driving it.
Huh.
Yeah.
That's shitty. All right, they just got back. Oh, hey, Fernando's here too. So Kellen.
Yeah.
Might have some bad news.
Why?
Just come take a look.
Why?
What? Because there was water.
Oh, it's water. There was water in this.
There was no coolant.
There was no coolant.
Wait, there was no coolant, it was just water?
Yeah, it was water.
What?
Yeah. No, yeah. It was all just water in there.
Well, shit. Yeah, I noticed that it was clear in there, but I wasn't sure. I was hoping the dude wasn't stupid enough to just put full water in there,
It
you know?
was a little bit of color. It was just mostly water, though.
And there's no coolant.
Oh, there's no coolant in the system? Oh, okay.
Not at all. I just bought his radiator.
Well, no, you guys need to go do
Oh,
that.
you're gonna buy it?
I already did.
Go get some CL.
Yo, you just got scammed.
Nuh-uh.
It's gonna blow up.
No, because I was going to use it.
It's gonna blow up.
Mishimoto.
Did
came
you
in-
warn him?
Warn him about what?
Huh?
There's nothing to worry about.
Yeah.
Because I was going to run it.
I would trust
If it
Mishimoto.
does, money back guarantee.
Whoa.
Are you willing to agree to
I
that?
signed no contract.
You want to kind of like give me a small walk around on this car and tell me a little bit about it, you know?
So, it's a 325, but the interior's a fucking clapper. I'm just gonna go
Oh,
for that
yeah.
anyway.
Look at that.
Sundays
But-
and Mondays. But I
How many miles does that have?
work Saturday.
Like 200 and something thousand.
Okay,
more
I mean,
than yours.
more than mine, about the same as mine. I mean, that's not too bad.
Engine runs mint though. Like he turned it on, you don't hear shit.
Good shit, all right.
Or is that CS?
Like the only problem was the valve cover leak and the oil pan gasket leak, but that's
Okay.
about
And
it.
it only came with the
So, tell me about these ugly ass
They're
wheels.
coming off and they're gonna be gone.
Yeah, they're gonna be
They're gonna be
gone.
gone.
What is leaking hella badly?
What's leaking?
No, look at the floor.
I think, yeah, you just said it was a oil pan.
Still cooling.
Oh.
Oil pan all over the place.
Dude,
Got you.
Yeah, I was
Try,
like,
try draining one of these without making a mess.
Yeah,
That
facts
shit does
though,
not-
facts.
This shit does not work.
So
But
what's
those-
wrong with it?
Basically just a radiator leak
Does it-
and oil leak.
Damn, what's it got?
And the slave cylinder.
And slave and master cylinder, I got both of those today.
Good shit,
That's
alright.
where we went.
Sick.
Pretty much.
You want a Preston pro tip?
Yeah.
On cooling systems?
Okay.
You get CLR from Home Depot, and it's like drain cleaner for plumbing.
Uh-huh.
You run that shit through the cooling system, and it cleans all like the rust out.
Really?
Like on your pipes. Like when you're doing plumbing, you put the CLR in your drains and it
Yeah.
clears them out.
You'll definitely want to do that because with how much rust was in that one,
All just water.
This was a super nice sway bar.
same color.
Yeah, I think the dude. I think from what I learned, the dude was a powder coater.
Yeah, he powder coated these rims and he powder coated that and shit.
This car is actually looking a little dingy.
But it's a straight ass chassis.
And he's got the fake M badge. Can we please take this off?
Duh, it's coming off.
Ooh, Remus? So does this have an aftermarket exhaust or is that
It's
just...
aftermarket exhaust.
Okay, does it sound pretty good?
It's loud, but it sounds decent.
Uh-huh. You got the M3 bumper on? Yo, let's look at it. Oh, damn! I don't know if I've fully shown this car in a video yet. Like, you want to talk about it a little bit?
328 sedan. My favorite color.
No, yeah, this color is absolutely beautiful.
Came with the cool wheels.
Uh-huh.
Pretty much good to go.
Hell yeah. Good shit. It's crazy how well it matches the front since they already had the front black. Yeah, I kind of fuck with the two-tone look.
I like the two-tone. Ghetto two-tone.
It's not even that ghetto. I mean, it looks alright. I mean, like, you can kind of see the old paint showing through on this panel, but I mean, like, it's nice.
Kathy's gonna be so happy to see this one day. And bring her over.
You gonna take her drifting?
Why?
Your mom's not down for that? Yeah, my mom wants me to get a drift car.
Yeah, let's have a mom drift day.
I don't have
Yeah,
a
my mom
mom.
wants me to get.
You have a
but she
stepmom.
said if I ever get a race car,
I'll take Ann
so I'm gonna
drifting.
take
It's
her.
okay. She'll love it.
Nah, I offered.
Dude, but I'm not
she won't
ready
do
to
it.
spend-
But Reggie will. He's technically a mom. Because he acts like a woman. All right, moving on. This
I'd be careful of that hose. There's probably still some coolant sitting at the bottom.
distilled water, actually.
Oh, sorry, my bad. With 2% coolant. Dude, those things smell so much. What are those? Sure, actually.
The best chip you'll ever have.
Dude, it's like the salsa is built into the chip.
Salsitas.
The dips in the chip.
Oh my god, you're kidding.
Shroud's off.
Shroud is off.
Yeah, you can pull the radiator.
Hey, easy shmoolah.
Now throw it.
Chuck it.
Check it. Oh, no! Dude!
Take it.
You should try to kick a hole through it.
I mean, I guess it's good as a backup, I guess?
Nah, not even that, because this is broke off. Bitch.
Can you check my oil, Fernando? Just pull the dipstick, just in case.
Milky. No.
Fuck, dude. Well, I just wanted
They changed it recently.
I know.
You know what that means.
Well, I guess we'll find out.
He said the same thing to me. Gabe's an auto mechanic, not a fucking.
Does it smell like gas?
Dude, it's fresh. It's
I've
fresh
lost.
oil.
You're not a psychic.
No, I'm a psychic.
You're a backyard builder.
I said, watch Jimmy's car break. Do you remember that? And guess what happened?
This car broke. And we weren't there.
I know, you guys weren't there and I was there alone. Had to get a tow truck to take me home.
Actually, Kaylee was with me.
Yeah, but she didn't have a car.
What did Kaylee say?
She was so confused when it even happened. She didn't know what was going on.
She was probably like so angry for like to wait for the tow truck and shit.
Yeah, I think she was just a slight bit salty, just a tiny bit.
It happens. So fucking, you'll know it. Yeah.
I low-key think Kellen got the cooler green out of our two cars. Dude, I don't know. This color when it's clean looks really nice.
Is it the same thing?
No, that mine's Boston green. His is like Laguna green or whatever the fuck. Laguna green metallic. I think that was pretty good German.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Took German for 2 years.
You two should just like hold hands and like
Yeah, you guys should kiss.
just like deal with it. Oh, Preston would not hesitate. I'm just saying.
Yeah, I don't know, bro. I haven't done this before.
Here he is giving all this information like, dude, you gotta do it this way. This way. But I don't know what I'm doing.
I don't know what I'm
doing.
Double dicker.
There's no way you're fitting both those in there.
Spin on it.
I need more leverage. I don't like that pulley bean right there, dude. I'm gonna hurt
You're
my-
gonna
You just smash the fuck out of your
hurt my
knuckles.
hand earlier.
So fill me in on how you need the angle grinder.
So Marco fucking did some. I don't know what he was trying to do, but it's stuck in here. And this is the tool we need. He was using it for like yanking.
So you're just gonna You're just gonna cut off that bolt.
Yeah, but you gotta help me set up this thing on ground.
I love how you move it like a saw, as if you're sawing something off.
That'd be quick.
Motherfucker.
Dude, your outfit's reflecting so bad.
Yup. Can't hit me with a car.
Ready? Go.
I need a ponytail on here, Katie.
Did mine slip out or did you slip? You slipped. How the fuck are you slipping?
Oh my god, my hands gotta get fucked up.
That's what I'm saying. I'm glad we switched sides.
Oh.
Get it, son? Ow, okay. Ow. That shit's fucking up my hand. Whoa, whoa, whoa.
Oh yeah.
Oh, it's slipping.
This thing does not want to budge.
That's a tough one.
This thermostat housing is kind of fucking in the way. That's good.
This thing's gonna shatter right in the face. Oh, yep, there he goes.
I split right into it.
All right. dude.
Karate chop that bitch.
That sucks, because now I can't use it as a brace.
Oh,
All right, dude. Why is this thing so tight? Get the bar and put it on there. All right, it's a little bit against that, so no, don't worry. Here, I'll make some. I'll clearance some room. Take this out. Here.
I'll clearance some room.
it's done. We got it.
We got it.
You got it?
Yep.
Hey!
You're welcome.
Holy shit.
You look at your valve cover. This thing's been leaking for 200,000 miles.
Well, and he bought the wrong one, so he put the old one back on after he already took it off.
Yeah, I didn't even think about that.
Alright, it looks like we're gonna wrap it up for the night. Didn't get a whole lot done today, but I think they made some healthy progress. I'm super excited for this car, Kellen. Are you excited?
I'm excited as fuck. I got a whole list going, bruh. Shopping
yeah.
cart list, bruh.
Hell yeah.
This thing's probably gonna be up and running in maybe a month.
Maybe a month?
Maybe.
Bet. So you think we're gonna see you on track in a month then?
Maybe.
I bet. I think that's gonna end this video, guys. I hope y'all enjoyed. I hope y'all have a nice day, and I'll see you in the next one.